Welcome to Edney Studios. I'm Edney, and in this video we are come to learn how to do color grading. Make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to this channel for more amazing tutorials like this. Please make sure to watch to the end to get every bit of this tutorial. Let's get started. Okay, so opening Photoshop, we have this image, and the first thing we are going to do is to duplicate the layer. Duplicate this layer, and we are come to select the subject. So we go to, you can either come to the quick selection tool, which has select subject, and you click, and Photoshop automatically selects the subject. So Photoshop has selected the subject, and we are going to do some little corrections in this place. We are come to add to the selection. And I think that's it. So we create a layer mask, and the next thing we are going to do is to click on the background layer, and we start editing. So we go to the selective color adjustment layer, and we go to the green because of the background green. So we are come to edit the green color. So first bring down the cyan, increase the magenta, bring down the cyan, go on this, bring down the cyan, increase the magenta, increase the yellows, and this one we bring down the cyan also, increase the magenta, increase the yellows. The effect we are getting. See the effect we are getting in this photo. So we have also come to add the hue adjustment layer. We go to the hue adjustment layer. Then we take the orange color. Pick this color, then increase the saturation a little bit. I think this is about right. Then we go to the brightness adjustment layer. We decrease the brightness a little bit. Now we increase the contrast. Decrease the brightness and increase the contrast a little bit. Somewhere 15, 12, that way. And we also go to levels adjustment. Reduce the contrast a little bit. Level brings in some depth. So then you come to the subject. So we rename this subject. So we go to the selective color adjustment layer, and this one we clip it to only the subject. Click this a little bit. little, bring a little to boost his skin color. We use the reds. I think that's it. Then we go to the brightness. We go to the brightness adjustment there. Decrease the brightness a little bit. Clip now. We clip it to only the subject. With the brightness and we increase the contrast. And let's go. Okay. We go to the vibrance adjustments there. Vibrance. And increase the vibrance a little bit. Click it. I think so. So far, this is what we've done. It looks quite cool. So now we merge all the layers into one using Ctrl Shift Alt E. We go to camera raw. So filter, we first convert it for smart filters. Then we click on camera raw. So in camera raw, we are come to boost the temperature. You get a little yellowish. Then we boost the tint also. Then we increase the exposure a little bit. So let's say 0.15. Then boost the contrast. Boost the contrast. We go to the texture. Boost the texture a little bit to boost the clarity also. Then we boost the bright and the dehaze a little. Then we increase the vibrance. Another thing we are come to add is the vignette. Vignette brings something like a spotlight effect. It makes the subject, brings like the subject into the spotlight. We'll bring the, so we dial everything down to be able to control the midpoint and the roundness correctly. So we bring down the amount about here and we increase the feather. I think we are done here, so we click OK, and this is the result we've gotten. So Ctrl O. So this was the before. And this is the after. Please, if you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. And please, if you want to, you can purchase this merch, my merch. You can purchase it. Creativity that keep creating. Please, the link for it is in the description. See you in the next video. Peace.